Launch sequence engaged. We are go.
Starpoint zone, you know.
Starpoint zone.
Shanty Force represent for Starpoint zone.
Young badness, what you style now? I'm an intense jet bar side. I'm here represent for Starpoint zone.
I'm in the Starpoint zone.
Hey yo, Starpoint zone.
Starpoint zone.
Starpoint zone, yeah. Burn up one.
Yo, what you know the Queffa boss represent for Starpoint zone. Mr. Rough them up, Mr. Queff them.
Starpoint zone, no bad like uno.
Starpoint zone. As a guala, you know, say I tend to represent for the wickedest thing.
Call you the budget, I'm represent for Starpoint zone. You know anything going on?
Diamond so with a lot of sinful thoughts. And when the devil whisper brain damage, darkness fall, hell raise. Afraid your voice, I don't know a shiny juggler that represent for Starpoint zone.
Check in. Big up all those people that are tuning in right now. You know, say we're at the Clearview studios. Yo, big up the Clearview merchandise looking clean and fresh like ever. Don't forget, big up the Ramcam media. Everything looking crisp, everything looking good. See the visuals looking clean? They were the one and only Starpoint. So myself, Kirky J, alongside Big Selector, the one called Ras Gripper. And also, don't forget, Tugsy on point. General. Right now, we're going to kick it like a ball and start it off like this. Boss it.
Female sex. I want thing to over and say I'm an stamp state. Position. All of the girls, them watch this.
Right now we keep it nice and easy.
Watch
the girl them.
Position. Hold up your head and cock up your bottom. Hold on to the bed dead and hold on strong. Screaming and moaning me think say a storm. But she have to
and clean like now.
Up on Jennifer and down.
Right.
Party up in the ear, everything round a back. Position me thinking is a back shot.
Starpoint song for the ladies right now for the early juggling.
Action start now thinking.
Clearview studio.
Cock up your body alright. When you see a beauty and she don't look nice. Can you just cock up your body alright? Never tell me I never more don't pay no mind.
You see it there?
Woman, too you look good, girl too you look nice. Right. Girl out the road, none of them a criticize. Fancy Susie, anyone named
You know, say you have a bed before you put on clean clothes, don't you?
Just because of you already man.
Can't walk out looking frowncy.
No look.
Run the Clearview studios, you know. Make sure you're clean, cause the clothes them clean. Out there.
It's like body fresh, body good. Say what I mean. Body ever ready and skin ever clean again. Body fresh, body good. Say what I mean. Body ever ready.
Starpoint sound, check in.
Girl, you want the best thing come out ya. Good shape your head. Girl, you mention your bumper. Man, I carry news. I made a spread rumor. Sake of the ring where you up on your finger.
Like
jump and prelapse. Car you a mother. And in the ear. Car you a big time.
Remember. You know, so when I'm boring around here.
Ever ready and
X-rated.
Alright.
That make the woman excited. Like a poem it is recited X-rated.
You know, so when you meet a nice woman and you want to deal with
a
problem.
Who said that woman can't done? Tell them say the woman don't come to done. Who said that woman can't done? Tell them say the woman them.
Oh, you mean?
Man took one wash. Then you turn it down, girl. Put me your foot on next man, welcome. And
you know 90s dance, give me the bogle now.
Turn it down, girl. Put me your foot on next man, welcome. And
them no one
out there.
You reach nowhere.
Ramcam media make them know, you know.
Over enemy.
Them can't stop the work.
But right now, at the top it's just us. Or the topic just us. You can't stop it just us. Or if you can't stop it just us. At the top it's just us.
Round a Clearview looking good and clean, you know.
You can't stop
it right now for all the girls and right now. What a girl a name?
Tell it. Check your button with a new name again. The all of the glamorous girl them. Keep a tanner with a new name again. The all of the glamorous girl them. Mellow, the girls them the nice enough. Mellow, when me see them at them me want touch. Mellow them the girl them fat till them buff. Mellow them the girl they no wear old broke. Mellow, when you see them at them you want touch. Mellow them the girl them well fabulous. Mellow, go tell them at them.
Right now you know when you call upon Mellow, you know.
Tanner with a new.
And she call upon we.
It's raining, my body's calling. I'm in need of my darling.
She want the rest of them.
And I'm hearing baby. Come on, baby.
I tell love and she want.
I get laid in the rain. On the way, always sweet me. I dare not complain.
Starpoint sound over 10 years in the business, you know. What are them? Them things that we don't know music and juggling.
That's the way I want it.
We're not old, we're not cold. What is we?
Well, we the man a veteran from 90 no long, and some little we come up and come this big man them fi know. In the business man a foundation. I see when a bad man from how long from 90 no strong. In everything that is before gentlemen, I'm not sure them silent pick up my pattern. Have mercy, I kill them one by one. We say people that do them say long time. Women a wait one for one by the line. One bag of motor massive pen me no giant. Tell them who my line.
Them think them ready for win.
Run pupa get cap a shot in nice spine.
From 19 all long them think so we go.
Really full life.
Right now, New Year now. We are forward.
You
know them can't stop us.
Go like say them after them go have one frack, y'all. Ball it out, you have X amount of that. Go them go like say them feet, them go have one shoes, y'all. Fling out your foot, you have X amount of that. Now wine, I make the general sit. Ball it out, you no afraid of nobody, y'all wine.
Them think the badness start from now. From long time badness did they?
Tell you, Josh. Well, that's a bad boy talk. Just come off of the gun and before the machine kick up, me tell you. It is all nice and decent, rude boy, man, have everything back.
Original, you know. Yo, talk so we'll tell them, boss. Tell them.
Tell them, Josh. Well, that's a bad boy talk. Just come off of the gun and before the machine kick up, me tell them, Josh. Well, that is bad boy talk.
Grip up on the ones and trees and juggle. Minds of Kirky G.
Me see it. Well, up the gun and make me see it. Make me see it. Me no want to see no gun panty. Make me see it. Original gun in and make me see it. All of the gun and make me see it. Me don't have me gun from me waist. Make me see it.
Right now, Clearview Studios, you know, we like the look. We like the gear, it look clean.
Just come off of the gun and before the
juggle.
Go on, go bury your dead now. Papa, put your hand for your head now. Go on, go bury your dead now.
Anybody talk about clash?
Look how long we have been.
Ramcam Media.
So you now live with your gun name pretty. Good mind the pretty copper shot now the pretty. Ever feel like a copper shot landing?
Somebody say clash.
Try ball a league side.
Come on, easy, 45.
Head over is on the body they are gully.
Some can't get killed with 45.
Magnum, can't hold the
right now on a dot, a fun time.
Mama she a ball like a pupa Instagram. Live by the gun, you shall die by the gun.
You hear what I'm saying? Live by the gun, die by the gun. Now when them get locked up a problem and start ball. What we say?
This
yo.
Boy wanna live by no land harder. Him talk about him this the big dibber than the yell that tell you boy wanna root out of harder. Power man spank him like children of father. The boy wanna live by no land harder. Him talk about him this the big dibber than the yell that tell me if the boy wanna root.
They want to live bad life and them no want pre no girl. Or what do aim? You see them?
See the girl them man, yeah. See the girl them man, yeah. See the girl them man,
yeah. You want to live bad life and get locked up with beer man. A girl we say roll, beat, just party.
And me smoke some weed. 3 legs me have but one stop short and knees. Lie down on the bed and girl prepare for breach. Bikini ya when you give to the knees. Ex-girl now want none, that's why she leave. Give her talking to me friend named Steve.
Oh gosh, call out. What you know?
Rinsing, shutting head. No need to ball, no need to beg. Gangsters no see even lead. Lord.
Ripper juggle.
Another skull bus.
Starpoint sound.
Another gunman dead. Family and friends once more fish and bread. Somebody call you. Cause the body's getting stink. It needs to leave the turf. Make it quick because
back to basics. Get on the vinyl cut. No CD thing. MP3.
Them say them gun no giant lodge.
Give them the vinyl.
Buck up on you with the looks and the shape and can't hold your man so him a go through the gate. You all a talk about you and y'all all a mate. Me all here say you a sweet girl fate. Nadine have you all a run up and down. South girl tell you say you can't come a town. Uptown girl
Ramcam Media you know. Have a look.
When a man girl jump and say me, cause you have your man and you know him not stray. You no really matter when no girl want say. When you see the girl you
yo Gripper, you know when you find a nice hot woman, what you tell her?
So when I hold you tonight, all of the things where you like, so you can see they don't believe me. Give me the chance I go and make you see. You think it a go so when we hold you tonight, I go and do all of the things where you like. So
Clearview Studios, Ramcam Media, I look clean.
Give me the chance I can do it. When man and no man go pan no hoes, them always have something.
We got the ladies with a good shape body, and you're looking well. Man, them a question want you.
Give me the wine where you mash up in America. Give me the wine where you mash up in Canada. Give me the wine where you mash up the 14 parishes in Jamaica. Give me the wine where the youth them a ball for. Give me the wine where the mugglers a scream for. Give me the wine
know, so you can't resist some beautiful ladies. So
Hold on like we have them in a tools and trees. And everybody know we wild already. Believe you me, me name is String Cutter. Hold on like we have them in a tools and trees. And everybody know we wild.
We got the man who girl is from worldwide, you know. All over the world, them have woman, you know.
For me see a girl look good, me have to fool her.
And get what we want.
Can me no live on a short road, so me have to bounce hard.
What if God was one of us?
Big question.
Just a man like one of us. What if God was one of us?
Oh, yeah.
Just a
I'm from 90s all along. When you say thugs, yeah, woman was there.
Me tell the girl me no play stocky. Tell us you 2 times you're more than lucky. One pop me gonna give a girl a Kentucky. Everywhere me got the girl them.
It goes.
Girl give me name and grateful chucky. Those girl them call me Rocky and Ducky. One pop me gonna give a girl a Kentucky. I don't hear them a big girl. Where you want for me, you just see me, you feed me. And tomorrow please, cause if you never see.
So DJ life going on.
Like some
entertainment and full joy. No boring party around here.
Take a step and one. Come if you make them see me with all our star done. That girl love man like Central and Rayman. Only for juvenile and must eat and bring form. From the first day she born. Only for she don't go.
You know, so we're full of style, we're full of skill. And Clearview Studios are full of garments. What you say?
Have a new style where them call it full
Yo, Ramcam Media, big up yourself, you know, so with their Starpoint sound. Big up the North London Badness team. Why?
Have a new style where them call it full on jet. When we say the style name again now.
Full on jet.
Everything we do, we a give them full on jet.
I know 50.
Full on jet.
I know 75.
Full on jet.
Hey.
If I'm a girl in a, we a give them full on jet. Pretty care, we a give them full on jet.
Some man get vexed when they find out say them woman get take away, no problem.
Them say the truth hurt. Who can't take it off his flirt? Lift them pants and shirt. Them say the truth hurt.
So we jungle from country to town, anywhere where they party then.
Who can't take it off his flirt? Run left them pants and shirt. Them say the truth hurt. Who can't take it off his flirt?
Dr. Beanie Man from the 90s. Hey. All right. Starpoint sound, you know. Talks in the general. Ross Gripper, Kirky G. All right. Now make it play, man. Make it play. We're not rushing around now. I said, go.
I born on this block, grow up on this block. That's the fact. My name is String Cutter on this block. Fight war for this block, went to jail for this block. Now I come back. Some punk walk for take away my block. Even though that I walk through the valley.
Don't forget about some style.
Man on this block, I fight for this block. So
make it go on.
This block, have the whole city.
Right now at the Clearview Studios. If you don't know.
I'm a bad man and I don't give a damn. Bad man and this is who I am. Bad man, I hope you understand that.
The woman said they want a strong man, you know. But anyway. Make it go on.
Every man
I fight for no girl, I fight no man over no woman.
But me and me girl, them a fight.
Let's go and check out me find the next one. Girl is life, you know. I run down a boy, girl.
If I DJ audio, them have to work for that. You know see me and me girl, them fighting all the combat. When me a work for me girl, them have to get flat. Pop off me pistol like a gun, me a fire shot. When me a ball, you know see a fear girl a bad. Girl them a rush me, say me bad like a girl a was. Half an a man, this a DJ.
Anytime you find yourself in a problem, you know, you best be careful. Why me say that?
Serious things a go happen. When you see me silky smooth like a satin. Girl hold me tight, I want feel out me button. Now she impress, I want pop off me button. I know nothing. Serious things a go happen. Cause of tonight me a go make you speak Latin. I saw me look but me no soft like cotton. Serial way I run, I go make you get fatten. Well, girl see me a cruising in my convertible Benz.
Right.
Sometimes she appeared me fi come carry it on the end. She has time me out in her contact lens.
Anytime you want to get some good friends, gloves,
me a monster crew.
check out Clearview. Reach your studio.
Our friend them sweet. Who no round and sexy, slim and trim and neat. So we took them on a tree.
Bad man no dress like girl.
Starpoint sound.
Man no play them thing there.
Lord God, you see? And that I mean, when some boy like
Ramcam Media.
No as a boy, this big job.
Oh, look clean.
Every time
look good.
Scare them and guess what?
One thing we tell everybody.
Bad man no dress like girl. We no boy nose and we no bleach face and we no wear drop curl. Well, some freaky boys this have dressed like girl. Bad
face and we know we'll drop girl. Well, some freaky boy.
Take where them girls with her.
Me look push and bashy. Now me Moschino and me latest Versace. We know who knows and we know who Jerry. Natural as me born, so me girl them test me.
Watch your style.
Some boy them get drowned out, them face go bleach out. They on a wrong road. Look
them
like
said 90s badness, you know. We are the original 90s selector right now. Where we go? Hey!
Girl, we know who knows and we know
watch your style.
We know we'll drop girl. Well, some freaky boys we stop dressed like girl. Man, so shot not dressed girl.
Go on, Gripper, get on the style.
We know bleach face and we know we'll drop girl.
Watch your switch. Watch your style.
No boy can't play dolly off with me, girl. Me we stepping in face. No fear if a sergeant or general, me we stepping on your face. In your face. A boy try this, me we play the channel and stepping in face.
Hey, yo, big up to all the man and all the general there.
Talk to me, fella.
You know, say you're not techno talk, you know. What we say?
Why come a road and a home and a rock?
What?
Why you spread rumors say how shall it
From 19 no long, bounty killer. We are techno be that boy.
And them a want this one. Oh, liar. Come pick a tell John say him fire. Him a want this one.
Watch your 90s style. Them no know.
Them boss money, but tell them they no wicked like me say somebody. Tell them they no rough like I'm me boss money. Tell them they no wicked like me boss money. Tell them not talk about. Nothing to get serious about, man. Watch you now. Now when I feel I'm a DJ friend, them I don't know just lyrics, boy. No addictive feeling. Watch me now, people. Me boss money, but tell them they no wicked like me say somebody. Tell them they no rough like I'm me boss money.
Starpoint sound on the juggling.
Me boss money. Tell them
easy no.
Ninja long for releasing can't get nobody. Upas and can't survive the girl man yam. My brother did a move and nearly bust him belly.
Anytime we have to deal with woman, deal with them right, you know.
Nip on my body head and if a girl want it, tell her for coming on my bed. Me legal, me have my sex in ticket and if my sex.
Oh, they will say she don't want no jelly back man.
Don't want it. And then the jam stand up stiff, try if you broke it. And then the jam stand up stiff, girl wine. What's if you know you can't girl?
Get them an easy step now. Easy step.
And then show me where do when you're in and the bed, girl pretend like say your life I got and make up your face like you a feel the body head cast stone. Nip on my body head and
come me clutch you. I'm Jano me not talk to me can't take the badness. That's why me cool off. Look come me clutch you. I'm Jano me not talk to me can't take.
People don't forget to
cool off. Me visit
December 16th. Don't forget the beautiful date, the great date. December 16th. Grown and sexy. Starpoint says present tonight of elegance on a ball affair. Green and red. Yeah? So make sure you get there. Don't forget check out www.starpointsound.com. Alright? Grown and sexy.
From you see your come and then you can know one. Get yourself blessed. None but ourselves can be ourselves.
Wait, say that way you have to dust it off, you know. Garden on the box.
Again. From you see your come and then you can know one. Different from the original man. Well, King Selassie, I well, is the almighty one. And not John Pope the second.
Grown and sexy.
Down in the review.
December 16th, yeah? 2023. Get there. Make sure you dress up clean, yeah? Alright.
Something went wrong. When they man speak in the congregation, none of them know where the man appear from. In the Mosaic, the man come from the Dependency Africa, America, England, and said this man must be the mistake.
Right now, you know, say the 90s juggling a wicked style, you know. You not reach nowhere new yet. Bounty, where you the bounty killer?
The mystery is the mystery and the man is just the man. Say don't you try to this with Mr. Fool because you're wrong.
What?
You want to be the stoplight in front of me fan.
Starpoint sound in the building.
The mystery and the mystery.
Clearview Studios.
Say don't you try to this with Mr. Fool because you're wrong.
Oh, we look clean.
The warlord in front I'm young. And they said I can know say warlord.
When me come pick up every warrior from the present to the past. All who know them fight for your cause. Pick up every warrior from the present to the past. All who know them fight for your cause. Some say them a bad man, don't know the half a hit. Don't know a big kill nor a quarter hit. What big king a Rigen was the starter hit. Fed them up and Burry boy was the class.
Oh, you mean?
When you wait for ball forward, boy.
Whoa,
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna start King Song going everybody. Look up here. Yeah. All the space.
Where you say Toxic? Where you say Gripper? Kirkidgy, what we tell the world?
The one you wait for ball forward, boy. The one we not gonna move backward, boy. The one we not gonna get upward, boy.
Aye.
Boy.
Oh, style
then. The
then.
one you wait for ball forward, boy. The one we not gonna move backward, boy. The one we not gonna
This
get
not gonna
upward,
get serious.
boy.
When Rasta gets serious now.
That don't wait about him and you shut up.
Boy, be a fat man, me have a cock up. Boy, enough of them head must in a cup. Boy, how the man another man a wrap up. Boy, them must be cook out and crack up. Boy, enough of them must be till them clap up. Boy, enough of them go till them hop up. Boy, original dancing juggling. The one that did a new way, the bad forward. Boy, you want me down, go move backward.
All right, Ramcam Media. Clearview. Now we tell them to get serious round now.
The replacement killer. Who that me here a live in a man cheddar. Bunty killer, semi-fit on bunty filler. Tiger semi-fit beat the strike them off a zebra. Better than the replacement killer. Thumb down the one that bout him sound like Shabba. Imitate the star when you know say you a robber. Jump me fence and thief me bank robber. Better than replacement killer. Let's us bust no
load up the ammunition.
Keep rich style.
Let me clip, full clip, 45, revolver, Glock 40.
But them niggas sell them guns, I shot if I see them now. Just make a one movie now, yo, me say it's I, and them still got ball. That me.
Them not know about them style, you know.
About guns, I shot if I see them now. Just make a one movie now, yo, me say it's I, and them still got ball.
Anything, grip up, juggle.
So yo, boy dead when they pop up me big gun. I bang youngsters and get gunned down. From you see we you fi start clock run.
So we got a full Starpoint sound team, you know.
Boy,
we got OD, Slipper, Nay Blanco, we see you, darling. All right.
We you fi start clock run.
But now they come and skin up them skin dirty teeth. But I want them build like a fan and put on them read. Oh, the bread are free, we hear your love eat. Because them say your love.
What's your problem
don't make me bow, bad man I go bow. We are the girl them toe. When me need me bro, why you here po?
Right now we're going steady, you know.
We
like how the studio look.
What we get small, we never done we not here.
The studio look good, don't
them a swear.
Clothes look clean.
Passing this, we get it right here.
Anybody try this, me?
Luti,
a problem.
Look here.
You try this, Ramcam. You try this, them.
And the boy from Portmore said that.
How what we say?
Enough of them out, then I go like that throw ya. Just throw them no, so ya them would do it fast. So when you
all who tune in right now, boss up a life, boss up blank. Ramcam, tell them.
This is something when me coulda never yet understand. Why some suit love carry my name to girl, especially when them buck up competition.
Outside we're outside,
but that totally wrong.
But tonight we're inside.
Them all up,
they could chill it out there.
Them coming like,
but we're fresh and we're clean.
Antics up, who was that cold pan chest? Where want
go on, Rasta Gripper, juggle.
So then I'll run downtown. Some big boy never hear a Winchester sound. Oh it sound. Them never witness a man get gunned down. Cause up here to be I'll run downtown.
Watch out for the wickedness, you see what I want?
Up here young toddler, we have a stop shot and when them bust them gonna.
The name Warlord from up a Warlord.
Hey yo! These fools should know them from the war analyst. Hey yo! So the gorilla.
It's only Starpoint sound, you know.
Time I thought them like some tourists, they thought it must be fear of this. Hey yo!
Only Starpoint sound.
Activist. Not about it. One time, they should know that I'm the original Warlord for what?
Good man.
Hey, niggas try hard, but still die hard.
Ready? We're ready.
The name Warlord from up a Warlord. No for them try hard, we still die hard. Tivoli man in charge, jungle is hot large. Come here.
Alright, watch your style. Ramcam.
Hey, me name Warlord.
Back to basics, yeah?
No for them try hard.
Watch the next 90s tune.
Don't go in charge.
All them people that were here, them song they went from there. A little bit picnic. Watch out.
When me have skip beyond the tell them cool and them go ring you.
Watch out now.
What and show.
Hey, Patsy and you, girl.
Jane.
I hear some of the team from
Green.
I hear some of the locking up through all of them.
What you do?
See, come again. Just the other day me go to Japan. When? What kind of money them spend? Yen. 5 or 4 and 9, where they want it? 10. So me hear your teeth some money. When? See,
come again.
Where they back in a London name?
Big Ben.
2 men a love up. Them a men. Button up your collar, where they call you? Spain. So you out for deal with badness, you my thing. See.
Forward again.
So the other day, Shabbat. When? See, they have a new tune for me. When?
Them tune there, you know.
Never show up a London. When?
Pick up all those that have clocks so they're like a picnic.
When? You never know but the one I can. When? See.
Alright.
Come again. 5 and 5, where you call it? 10. It's a new tune.
Right now, Clearview Studios.
10. Where the bad
like how we're looking at.
You
can't take the t-shirt. We want more colors, you know. We want more colors.
Come again. Big up Radigan from Kiss FM. Big up the New York pass them, and all the London pass them, and all the Canadian pass them.
You see what going
The
on?
Japan pass them.
I don't know what going on in the world, you know. It's like the man they want to fight down the woman. Always cuss them out and one always be in control. Well, you know, so you have to run the place, you know. But you have to be respectful and hold on. So what we say now, hey?
Now you see all of the boy them are going at this woman, man, dress back. Stay far off of the borderline. All girl, man, come on, wanna watch this now. Yeah, yeah, me.
Watch
out. Me say me serious. Me not take back no talk. Left the girl, them a stop pass. No frame up. Me say me serious. Me not take back no talk. Left the girl, them a stop pass. Left them alone. I stop this, the program, left them alone.
Don't forget December 16th, you know.
Alone. Stop this respect.
December 16th.
Change your
Grown and sexy.
Alone.
The girl them plenty. And the man them have money.
Number one in foundation.
Get your tickets at starpointsound.com, yeah? Eventbrite.
The girl, them a stop pass.
Right now.
Jammer, them this a ball out for it.
What do me say?
Jammer, them this a sit down pan it.
Jammer.
Me a go kill her with it. Jammer for the girl them we
Ramka Media.
Boy, so the girl she this a ball out pan it. Jammer for the girl them we full of quality. Boy, so the girl
They got girls on the waistline were wicked for a long time, you know.
kill a girl with the
Oh, you
box
mean?
and sex act. The girl she just a sit down pan the cock sex act.
Man them.
Girl with the lizard laugh.
Nobody eat no soft food. She no want no jelly back, man. You have to deal with her strong.
I get put on drive all them and them bomb they just wanna ride. Get put on drive all them and them crazy. They just wanna ride. Get put on drive all them and them crazy. They just wanna ride. Get put on
Yo, pick up yourself from Media. Everything good, yeah?
Yeah. So me carry down a shopping and me gone down a Wrigley.
Whoa.
I even man well them a talk and a pluck off me lady.
Clearview Studios. We're good round here.
So me carry down a shopping and me gone down.
Starpoint sound. If you want roll it with, roll it with Starpoint sound. Right.
You have some DJ rise and fall and realize them have a bag of a charge. Them a gang go baptize and ganja and King George. We go weed them out the dance hall. You know we go weed them out the dance hall. We go weed them out.
Pick up all the herbalists them.
Ready for Christian, no need Christian. You better stay. We go weed them out the dance hall.
I agree.
When me you send ninja baptize, I wonder if him make them fool him no white. He want come tackle Rasta man up on the Jesus side. You know man come give them the lyrics you prescribe. Me I tell you how that people know about it.
The more we burn the weed, the more we proceed. We think about God indeed. Skill a culture on a line. Again, I sing. One ganja flip, give me the meditation. Think about the Father, we see eventually one. We make heaven and earth for every man. Them
no, they will not bush me.
Boy, we see a one like one ganja flip, give me the meditation. Think about the Father, we see eventually one. Who make heaven and earth for every man. Them stand. And no boy, we see a one like me walking on the council of the Almighty One. Me not go walk with the man and call Satan. If I can cook, me no want in on me hand. Give me the righteous thing. When to reach Mount Zion like the clean heart and pure in hand. But tell me how me be wrong.
Yeah.
But tell me how me be wrong. One ganja flip.
Right now, big up all the herbalists on my wall of meds right now.
We see eventually one who make heaven and earth.
We got the girls on, we get them segment.
I know boy.
Bad man, whatever, get them tuned there.
One ganja flip.
Right now, the herbalists them.
Think about it.
Anybody and everybody.
Just light up the chalice, make me burn down the hole. I pray for John Bob all the more. We don't lose the bell, all a weep and moan. One ton of balicar, oh, big man shot, and I have been given we start down road. I pray for John Bob all the more.
Now when you're mad, you know, are the bodies.
And thunderball, well, we say, shake the shaker and make me shake down the hole. I pray for John Bob all the more. We don't lose the bell, all a weep and moan. And thunderball, well, we say, Bubba man beat the catch, and make we beat down the hole. I pay for John Pop all before.
I have to keep it moving, you know.
All a weep and moan.
Don't worry. This is not the end.
I said,
let's just see you till next time.
All mother people. Finally nickname for them.
Kukunku. Clearview Studios. Pick up yourself, yeah? All right. Ramka Media.
All mother girl.
Easy, you know.
Orange Dragon have a nickname for them. All mother girl. Orange Dragon have a nickname for them. When you mess with mother girl, come. Mother girl.